Okay, hey guys. So I wanted to walk you through what you actually get when you join my group. So you can obviously read this. I will let you do that. But once you join the group, you come over here, click join group. You're going to be able to go through all of the pages. And so this is what it actually looks like. We've got the community tab here where we've got different pages of general discussion, wins, mindset, fitness and nutrition. Mindset and fitness and nutrition are where educational posts live. So only coaches are allowed to post in there, and it's all educational. So super easy to filter through, easy to digest. From there, we've got the classroom. And so the classroom is where you're going to get started, and it's going to walk you through everything we have, including the steps on how to achieve your transformation. You start with Start Simple, and as you progress, the other courses will unlock. One of the coolest things that I think I have to offer that sets me apart from the rest is that you don't actually have to pay for the VIP coaching. Of course, you can via monthly subscription or a 3-month commitment, but you have the opportunity to earn 3 months of free one on one coaching with me by simply achieving level 8. The course, when you start at level 1, it'll walk you through exactly how to get there. It's going to take some effort, but it is definitely doable, and I think it's probably the coolest thing in the world. Other than that, we've got 3 weekly coaching calls. So we've got a mindset call on Monday, a health and fitness call on Wednesday, and then a general community Q&A on Friday. And then other than that, guys, I lost 84 pounds in 2025. And so really what I want to do is just help as many people as I can. I want to be the beacon of hope for those who maybe have lost hope. I was in a really, really bad spot at the end of 2024 and the beginning of 2025. And I got lucky, guys, and I'm super grateful for it. But I want to be able to help people achieve their goals and achieve their transformation and get back their freedom without having to hit all the pain points that I had to hit along the way. So, hope that helps, and I look forward to seeing you inside.